To send money using Apple Pay, start by opening the Messages app on your iPad or iPhone. Then open an existing chat or start a new one with the person you want to send money to. At the bottom of the screen, you'll find the Apple Cash button. Tap on it, enter the amount you wish to send, and then tap the Send button to review and confirm the transaction using your passcode, Face ID, or Fingerprint ID. Alternatively, you can use Apple Wallet to send money. Open the Wallet app, select your Apple Cash card, and choose the Send Money option. From there, you can add a new contact or select a recipient from your saved contacts. Enter the amount you want to send, and tap the Pay button to complete the transaction, again confirming with your passcode, Face ID, or Fingerprint ID. It's worth noting that you can cancel a payment at any time, as long as the recipient hasn't accepted the money. By following these simple steps, you can easily use Apple Pay to send money to others.